In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho CRM with Xero to streamline your business operations and ensure smooth financial management. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Chrome browser and make your way over to your Zoho CRM account. If you haven't logged in yet, do that now. Enter your credentials carefully, ensuring you're accessing the right account to manage your integrations efficiently. Once you're in, hover over to the top right corner where you'll find the Setup option. This is a crucial step because all of your customization options are housed here, including where we plan to go next, which is the Marketplace. Inside the Marketplace, you'll be able to find a variety of apps and extensions designed to make your CRM experience more robust and tailored to your specific business needs. Focus your attention on the search bar and type in Xero. As you type, keep an eye out for the official integration app, as this will ensure compatibility and offer optimal performance. Now, once you've located the Xero app in the Marketplace, you'll want to click on Install. During installation, you'll be prompted to authorize access to your Xero account. This step is vital as it allows the two systems to communicate and share data seamlessly. So follow the instructions to grant access. Don't worry if you're asked to input your Xero credentials again. This is simply an added precaution to confirm your identity and safeguard your data. With access granted, we move into the configuration stage. Here, you have the opportunity to customize how data syncs between Zoho CRM and Xero. Take a moment to explore the sync settings available for customers, invoices, and payments. Consider your existing workflow and how different configurations might benefit your business processes. It's worthwhile to dedicate some thought here, ensuring that the integration not only captures essential data, but enhances your overall operational efficiency. Once you're satisfied with your configuration settings, go ahead and save your preferences. Saving is critical. It allows all the decisions you've just made to be locked in and implemented. Immediately after saving, sync the data. This triggers the integration to pull the necessary information from your CRM and begin its journey into Xero. Now, with everything set up and the data syncing underway, you've successfully integrated Zoho CRM with Xero, ready to enhance your financial management and optimize your workflow. If at any point you're unsure of something, remember you can revisit your settings and modify them to better suit your needs. Enjoy the benefits of streamlined data management, and keep exploring how Zoho CRM can provide further efficiencies for your business.